Okay, my door handle is broke, so I'm going to replace it. This is a 2010 Hyundai Accent GS. We're going to replace the driver's side door handle. Okay, to remove the door panel, we have to take the screws out. This little plate has to come out, which you basically just pull on it. It's easy enough to pull out. It's just held on by these little rubber plastic bumpers here, so we'll take that out. There's one screw hidden down here that needs to come out as well. And then inside the door handle, all you have to do is pull that rubber bump out. Also, the screw inside the door handle comes out. Carefully work this out. And then these two come out. Yeah, you can use this little indentation place to put a screwdriver or something and pry it out, but I don't want to do that. What I'm going to do is pull out on the bottom using this as a lever for leverage and pull out gently. Then it just lifts up. let's see. Let's set this down. So you want to squeeze these and pull this out. And you take this one out. Okay, there's a lever back on the back of it. You want to squeeze it in and then pull it out. Sort of the same for this one. Only the lever's in the front. You squeeze it. And pull it out. Okay, then we have access to this. Open this up enough. I'm actually going to open it up a little more so I can get the camera and everything in there, hopefully. You probably don't need to take it this far off. You want to pop that over. May have to use a screwdriver. And then you'll pull this out, just straight out. Again, you might need a screwdriver. Just comes straight out. Okay. I'm going to take this off. And that bolt is 10 millimeter. That allows you to move this out of the way. Inside there, okay, you'll want to get that that 10mm bolt right here. It's beside the locking mechanism. You'll want to get it. Okay, then you want to rotate, if I can get in here without jostling everything. Then you want to move that up until it slides out. The locking mechanism. And just pull it out of the way. So now we take the other bolt out. It's also 10mm. You might want to hold it on the other side. Keep anything from falling out. It might not fall off. Alright, okay, it didn't fall off, so we're good. So now it's just a simple matter of pulling this back so the parts can come loose. And everything will come out. Okay, so I took the locking mechanism out completely. I squeezed these little things together and released it so you can see what I was doing. The 10mm bolt was in here like this, holds this in place. So after you take it out, it's just a matter of rotating the lock mechanism until it'll come out to release from this little pin here. So after you release that and take the other bolt off, you just want to slide it like this, and then it comes out completely. To put it back in is just the opposite. You kind of want these two together. If they're not together, tape them together. But you'll put this in and put it in. You have to miss this with it because Then it's got to fit properly, line up correctly. That's the hard part, is getting it to line up correctly. It's got to line up down here as well and slide in and lock all in this stuff here. So when you get it in the right position, lock it in place, go ahead and put the one bolt on. Then to put the lock mechanism back in, you'll have to just reach in, line this up, and then turn it and put the bolt back in. You don't have to take this off or this out. Don't take this off and out. I did this so you can see how it was on the video. Now yours might be a little different, but it should be something along this line here, where this goes up behind there and then locks behind it into place, and then the bolt holds it together. And that's pretty much it. So I'll put this back in and we'll put that back together. Okay, I'm going to try to film this from both sides. You'll want to put this back in and line up the holes as best you can, and hold it in place while you put this in first. Then this, and then slide this forward like that to lock it in place. Then of course we can put the first bolt back in. I'm not going to snug it up. Let me just get it in there loose. Okay, next, you put the locking mechanism in. You just push it in at an angle like this, and then rotate it down. Oops, in place without bumping it. And then put the bolt in. If I wasn't trying to film it, it would be a little easier because it wouldn't be moving so much. And of course, once you get the bolt started, it's easy enough. Stay focused. Okay. And we're at least finger tight on both, so that should be fine. I'll move this over and tighten it the rest of the way. Then we'll just finish tightening it. And that should be good. We can tighten the other bolt. We don't want to over tight and break them, and that should be fine. Okay, then you want to reconnect this piece back on. Turn it around and snap it back into place. Okay. And that's basically all there is to it. Okay, so you want to put that plastic piece back over the hole. If you took it off, it really don't need to come off. I don't think. I don't know. Is that in the right place? Keep taking it off, it ain't gonna stick anymore. That's probably good. I'm covering that little hole up as well, and this. This is where the bolt goes through, so you want to put that back on. Or your window will fall out, because that's the other side of the window. And we'll bolt that down. Now I guess the first thing, you should do a test run to make sure everything works. Before putting it completely back together. Okay, let's see if we can get the mechanism in there. Okay, so that works. The locks still work. So we should be good to go to put it back together. So we'll put this back on. This plastic is relatively fragile, so it can tear pretty easy. So I'm being careful with it. Okay. Now the clips on the door panel only go on one way. The three different connections are different, so you can't mess this up. At least I don't think it can be messed up. You want to put them in the appropriate slot. This one here. This one up here. And finally this one. It's hard to do this and film it too. Finally, this one right here. And be careful not to pull on it. And then we want to set the door panel up in this top groove. So that'll come in place. Get down in good. Put this back on. Work this cover back in. And the little plug goes back over it. Kind of hidden screw. And these two. Pop that back on. and we can check our work. That should be good to go. So there's really nothing to it once you know the right way to do it, I guess. Okay, finally I want to point something out. I wrote drivers on this. This is the driver's side. And this is the passenger side. It's a different number. And there is a difference. If I can get it to show up on the camera good. See how this goes. Like this. So this one would be on the driver's side. This one would be the passenger side. So I'm guessing, I don't know, I never tried. It might be ambidextrous, but my guess is it's not. So I would just order the right one. I ordered two because when you replace the one, I just wanted to replace the other one as well. I just hadn't done it yet. So don't forget to hit that like button. Thumb me up or down. Let me know you liked the video or the video sucked, one of the two. And subscribe, hit that little whatever that is beside the subscribe button so you'll get updates on my next videos. That probably sucked too. And apparently it wasn't. I'm moving the door. Hold on. Whoa. You can see that these, well, that's kind of loose. You can see that these are just plastic parts, so don't tighten those too tight. Well, that could have done like that. Oops.